Good morning guys, today I'll be going to Johor because Fairuz actually called me and told me that hey, your Michelin tires are ready. I'm super excited, I'm super stoked right now. So we're gonna head over now. We're gonna fetch your wife and then we're gonna head over now. So see you guys in Johor. Hey guys, you know what came today? It's my SSD drive. So beautiful, right? So it's a solid straight drive which I bought from Amazon Japan. 1 TB and it cost me only $100. So it comes with a nice cable that you can carry around with you like a keychain. I'm a little bit in a space crunch. Like even at the moment, coming back from my Thailand trip, I actually have about four videos to process. So it's just piling up and I just need fast storage basically to keep my files while I work on them. We are here at Funyu Laksa, which is located, how do I explain it? So basically you're at EDL and you take the first exit, not even on EDL yet. Okay, so anyway, this is a popular laksa spot. I believe they close a little bit on the early side, I think 4 o'clock. So we're going to check it out. They have very nice seating here. And it's actually, I believe, it should be halal friendly. So let's come check it out. No pork, no lard. They open at 9. So have you seen what's interesting?
The century egg, the quail egg, the century egg. Do you see that before?
So how we order? Should we share or not?
I think we can have each a bowl.
Okay. Yeah. Fish ball.
You want this one? Fish cake.
Oh my god, that looks so good. That's per piece though. Sotong, don't want. Okay, protein. Lady finger. Yes, I want this. Okay, that looks good as well. You're right. We better got. Maybe I share with you later when you have that.
I take that later.
Okay. This is what? 3 piece is what? This one? Okay, 3 piece.
You want?
No, I don't eat that.
Then cool. I'm gonna get that later.
No vegetable?
Have.
I want the cilantro.
One enough?
Yeah. Should I treat myself? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna have that. Yeah. Hello.
What? You want noodle?
Rice.
Rice. 饭. Oh, 没有饭. Oh,
Okay.
only got 米粉 or like 粿条 that kind.
So these are the noodles that they have.
Yeah.
Okay, I have the yellow noodle.
放面.
Yeah.
西汉豆芽. You want right? Both? Okay.
What did he ask actually? What did he ask?
You want the huh?
Okay.
And the bean sprout.
Okay. So the weather is actually not so good today. You see, it's gonna rain. It's definitely gonna rain, but I'm just not sure when. Alright, so it was between South Key, which I think was a bit boring. So I come here to belanja you guys new interesting content. I like how the ceilings are really very tall here. And I think the benches at the side there is really cool. Yeah, I don't think my wife have money. Let's pass her my cash. There's an option of what drinks they have here. Okay, so herbal tea satu dengan cincau satu.
Can have roti ada sama cincau.
Ya, ini satu, ini satu. Ais. Ais?
Ice.
Boleh kurang manis tak boleh? Boleh. Okay, dua-dua. So, they never even ask me for my payment. So, I like those seats there. I think it looks so good. What you feel? Oh, that's our food already. Okay. Here's one. Sini boleh. Yeah. Wow, damn fast guys.
What's yours?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So just now my wife asked me, darling, you want something? I'm like, yes, because I'm super hungry. So apparently they asked whether we wanted ham and tauge. Oh, bayar sekarang. Air sekali?
Air dah order belum?
Sudah.
Nanti order air bayar dengan
Bayar
kakak.
asing.
Kakak kira masuk.
The moment they send you the food, they collect the payment, and then water is paid separately apparently. Wanted to sit over on that side. However, I didn't want her to keep carrying my food around, so we settle with here. Kasih. Oh, okay. I mean, yeah, I was staring at her because she's dressed up in like an Indian costume. Interesting. I think it's actually a mix of culture lah, basically. So the drinks are here. Okay. Aduh. Okay. Kasih. 5 ringgit. So total, I paid a total of 42 ringgit for all of this. What do you guys think? It's a good price? Good price? Guys, I'm so excited. Kasih.
Bring your drink in, bring your drink.
Okay. Oh, they have chili here as well.
Yeah, but I dropped the...
So while the wife is recording, remember how I got this the other day on my shorts? I shared you guys. So this is actually the SpongeBob friends. We have the plankton, which I really like. And we have this fella, purple fella. I don't know what's his name, but they're so freaking cute, right? And it's quite affordable. It's like half the price of the Labubu. It's only like $13.90. So cute. So my wife kidnapped my toy. So I kidnapped her toy today. Darling, are you done?
Yeah.
Okay, let me grab some videos for the texture of the laksa for you guys lah. How about that? And the chili. Okay, I'm just gonna do a quick taste test, and then I'm just gonna enjoy my meal then. Okay, the ham goes inside. Probably just taste of the laksa. What you guys think? Okay, no. You know what? I think I probably have to taste the noodles. Will not be fair because the yellow noodles look a little bit different as compared to the yellow noodle that is currently sold in packets. So more curry orientated. I wouldn't call it heavy, I wouldn't call it light, but it's more leaning towards the heavier side. Okay, let's try the noodles. Probably, okay, I don't talk so much lah. We eat. Okay, oh no, I don't eat that, thanks. Century egg, quail century egg. My wife, very adventurous when it comes to food, but not me. Okay, the noodles, good bite, but the texture is a little bit, taste has this metallic taste, typical of yellow noodles sometimes. So, thumbs up from this place. I think they're generally affordable, very nice, easy parking. I heard weekend is going to be freaking crazy. Okay, drink-wise. Jinjao or herbal tea? This is a less sweet version. Okay lah, jinjao a bit mainstream, a bit normal. Maybe I'll mix first. Wow, totally no taste. It's like almost plain water. It's like a sugared water, guys. You taste this.
I tried already.
So, no lah, cane herbal tea, not the way to go lah. You can try something else, maybe the chrysanthemum or the jinjao. But the jinjao tastes very okay lah. Can try lah, guys. Jinjao. Just like those canned jinjao lah. Nothing so special like the betong grass jelly that you guys saw on my video. So, okay, bye-bye. So, okay guys, I'll probably see you guys at my next stop. Bye-bye. Wife busy eating. Bye-bye. Having a bit of a food coma, guys. So, at the car park, they're actually playing some horrible music. Chinese New horrible, blasting the music. Oh, I cannot take it, thank God. Over here, this level here is fine. So, something quite interesting. Today, there is no internet connection. from different carriers as well. So we are unable to enter the car park with our PayWave. So luckily I bring my Mighty Trust card, which is the physical card. But you know what? I'm gonna try to connect to. I'm using BB5, right? So there are different carriers that you can see. Try to connect to. So I'm gonna try that. But my One X cannot do it. So yeah, we are here now at the South Key Mall. So guys wondering why I'm here. Wow, that's a nice. Okay, now don't be distracted. So you might thinking why I'm doing here, right? Because the shop opens at 2:30, 2 to 2:30 today. So I asked Fairuz Tyre to send the tyre over to Jalan Suso, which some people know as Lorong Bapok, right? The Singaporean. So they open at 2:30. So now we have about 2 hours to spare. And it's gonna rain, so might as well we just come to South Key, right? Okay, so just gonna walk around here for a while. Guys, I'm at Al Ihan Sport and guess what I found? The purple shirt that I wanted, but there's no XL, so I'm trying to try the 2XL. But you see, it's so long there. Let me give it a try. You see, like feminine, yeah? You cannot, We are at Zeus Coffee right now, and we actually ordered the cafe mocha. But what I did was I switched up the milk to soy, probably influence the taste, right? And then they have a 0 sugar option, so that's quite interesting. Here it cost me 16 ringgit, but you have see these clumps of things. What do you think the clumps are? The white clumps. Soy from soy?
I'm not sure.
That looks a bit dodgy, guys. Okay, I tried my best, guys, to mix up this coffee. Very nice, but wow, it's amazing. Any aftertaste? Have a bit of bitter aftertaste after you drink everything up, similar to very common in artificial sweeteners. So you can choose 2 options, the Lydia or the Boss. So if you like something fruity, you can get the Lydia. However, if you like something very bold, go for the Boss. But you know what will be nice? You always have the frap, right? And then you actually have these bits of different texture in a mocha, like a chocolate chip. So that's not present here. So we're just gonna relax here while I do some photo editing for our next appointment, which is about 2:30. So see you guys. We are at Sister's Crispy Popia. This is a menu. It's something that we always wanted to try. So we're getting the signature crispy roll. And this is the size, guys. It's actually really huge. So previously, like I said, we wanted to try this. So yeah, we'll have a look when he gets started on our popia. It's about to begin. Got some peanuts. I think that's usually oyster sauce and some chili. And you have the crunchy biscuit, crispy egg, right, and the shredded cucumber with a little bit of carrots. And then he add on some turnip. And basically that's ours in a nutshell. And for the ease of eating, he'll cut it up. Oh, can you guys hear the crunch? Yum yum. And that's ours, guys. So you wanna have some popia, you can try the Sister's Crispy Popia, located at South Key Basement. So they have a very nice packaging here since 2013. Best consumed within 1 hour. I'll give it a bit of a taste test. See what's inside here. A bit heavy. Good crunch. However, I feel the orientation of taste is catered more to the Malay taste because it's a little bit on the heavy side. We're gonna head over to fairuz tyre right now. But I'm gonna show you guys the state of my tyre. I don't know the exact amount but agak-agak 20,000 km. We have arrived at fairuz tyre. Ini sah boys. Assalamualaikum. Ya, Michelin tu. Sini. Wah, so excited. Got my Michelin tyre. Maybe we have a better view of the tyre wear. And he got my new beautiful tyres here. The Michelin 160/60 R15 power shift. Solid. So if you guys don't know how to look at the manufacture date, right? First you gotta find 4 numbers. 4725. So it's the 47 week of 2025. Good to go. Generally, I'll try to get something about 2 years old lah. Tukar tayar ke bang?
Satu tayar ke tidak? Tayar belakang aja lah.
Dia dah tu ya dah.
Tapi kena paku. Paku dua.
Oh.
Tayar depan macam okey.
Tu paku dia? Nampak?
Ada.
Nampak.
Dua ada dua.
So penat sih mana. Yalah terus.
Pergi tak boleh lah.
Abang selalu rehat mana?
Ya, ada tempat kedai Ipoh. Apa tu? Travelodge. Travelodge bagus. I recommend you go there.
Travelodge sebelah Ipoh ah.
Sebelah Ipoh.
Okay.
Kawasan Ipoh tu, dia betul-betul highway nak pergi ke
Sebelah dia.
Travelodge. Hotel dia
Selalu
baik.
dia pun tahan lama
Ini
lah.
kawan yang recommend.
Saya dia juga. Dia recommend. Dia cakap, tengok tayar tu. Ingat, tanya ke tayar.
Abang ni baik. Selalu dia reply message.
Dia punya owner dia kan. Dia booking dia fairuz lah. Owner dia.
Owner dia. Selalu dia tak dekat sini tau. Dia dekat
dia tempat main
jauh, Kempas jauh. Jam lagi sana. Saya mati-mati tak nak pergi sana. Saya suruh dia hantar tayar dekat sini.
Ini dia cakap sebab kalau saya nak buat servis, sebab saya PML warranty dah nak habis. Jadi dia cakap nak servis sini. PML servis
Mahal lah bang.
mahal, satu mahal one thing.
Lembab.
Lembab.
He was giving me a tip that when you go up to Betong, right? He said you stay at Travelodge at Ipoh for one night. He said if you go straight he really too tired for him. So good tips by these kind of bikers maybe I always find the stretch home actually going is fine for me. It's just the returning it's a bit tiring Something to ponder on. Terima kasih bang, saya share dengan. Wah, got drinks there guys, drinks there. He spray some fruity water. I found some shrapnel. So you spray some water, you can see it bubbling. You can see it blowing away the bubble. So he found another one. He found the culprit, which is actually embedded straight inside. Can you guys see it? Yang ni yang bak bocor, yang besar tak bak bocor.
Ini yang bocor
Ni yang bak bocor. Mungkin panjang ah.
Tapi duduk tu lah. Jangan bawa balik sikit. Alamak keluar.
Oh, there's a nail lah, guys.
Bukan tempat tyre tu. Kalau tak mampu dah. Licin ke. Tapi dah
The uncle was saying that it's not that he don't want to do, is he lazy to do. So he said lucky he come back from Thailand, then he come here and settle. Funny. Right, so the tyre is all done. Looking good lah. A bit like a slick tyre. What do you guys think? Oh, I'm so excited. Look at the sharp profile. Actually a bit on the sharp side. A bit too sharp. Very aggressive. Huh? Solid guys, man. Solid shop. Fairuz Tyre, man. Support them. So they have actually a couple of outlets. Latest one they acquired, I think some Kawasaki agent. But I don't want to go there, so I talked to the boss. I text him, tell him, hey, bring the tyre over here to Suso. It's more convenient for us. So it took a while to coordinate. Stocks are a bit hard to get because it's actually something that's very sought after and they don't have much stock from the supplier. So I just met this abang. His bike looks souped up, man. Where is ADV 350 carbon fiber purple floorboards? Wow, why he wrap his oh, they protect the cling wrap. That's his name, probably Anip. Cling wrap to, so it's not dirty. Amazing. Saya ya. Nak ikut YouTube saya.
TikTok masa TikTok.
Sikit-sikit lah. Saya post TikTok. Lepas tu suruh dia pergi kat YouTube saya.
Apa pernah datang sini?
Pernah.
Naik GS dulu.
Macam-macam apa tu V-Storm V-Storm apa Nice the new NX 400 always caught my eye. Not bad It's only 3:30 right now, so okay lah. The tyre all done. Make sure the rotation is correct. Bang, kasih ya. Nah, dia rokok. Okey. Apa dia? Jangan laju sangat. Okey. Okey. Nif. Assalamualaikum.